So in this lesson, we'll be discussing about division of proper fractions. So to start with, let's have these given. Divide 1/2 by 1/8. So the first thing that you need to remember is you have to find the reciprocal of your divisor. In this case, our divisor is 1/8. When we say reciprocal, all you have to do is flip the fraction. The denominator will become your numerator, and then your numerator will become your denominator. So from 1/8, your reciprocal will become now as 8/1. Next, step 2, multiply the dividend, which is 1/2, and the reciprocal of the divisor. So that is multiplied by 8/1. So we can multiply it now. So 1/2 times 8/1. So 1 times 8 is 8 over 2 times 1 is 2. And then lastly, step number 3, do not forget to simplify. So 8/2 is equal to 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the answer here is 4. Next, divide 5/7 by 1/6. Again, find the reciprocal first of your divisor. So from 1/6, it will now become 6/1. And then multiply the dividend, which is 5/7, to the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 6/1. So 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 1 is 7. So we need to simplify it now. So 30 divided by 7. So we have 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So we have 4 whole and 2/7. Next, divide 3/8 by 3/5. Get the reciprocal of your divisor, that is 3/5. It will now become 5/3. Next, multiply the dividend, which is 3/8, to our reciprocal of the divisor, which is 5/3. So 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 3 is 24. We need to simplify it by getting the greatest common factor. The GCF of 15 and 24 is 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So therefore, our final answer is 5/8. Next, let's have this one. Find the quotient when 4/7 is divided by the product of 1/3 and 6/5. Let us translate this one into a mathematical equation. So it will become 4/7 divided by product of 1/3 times 6/5. So again, we go back to our JEMDAS rule. We always solve the one that are inside the parentheses. So 1/3 times 6/5. So 1 times 6 is 6 over 3 times 5 is 30. And then we can now proceed to our division. So get the reciprocal of the divisor. So it will become 4/7 and then multiply 30/6. We can now multiply the two fractions. So we have 4 times 30, that is 120, over 7 times 6 is 42. Let us now simplify 120 divided by 42. So we have 120 divided by 42 is 2. 2 times 42 is 84. 120 minus 84 is 36. Now we have 2 whole and 36 over 42. Simplify 36 over 42 using the GCF 6. 6 divided by 6 is 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. And then do not forget your whole number, which is 2. The final answer is 2 whole and 6/7. Next, evaluate 3/4 or parenthesis 3/4 times 5/6 divided by 2/3. So JEMDAS, solve first the one that is inside the parenthesis. So 3 times 4 times 5/6. So 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 6 is 24. And then divide 2/3. Reciprocal. So 15/24. This is 24 times 3/6. 2 equals, we can do cross cancellation here by dividing it by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 15 times 1 is 15. 8 times 4 is 16. So the final answer now is 15 over 16.